inviting us into.
The greatest thing about it is that it's truly entertaining and enjoyable for the people to use the site, to find out how the site is affecting the lives of the kids. You get feedback from the kids. As I said before, it's real, it's friendly, it fosters community, and engenders affection between the people who use it. And that's one of the reasons I love making it part of my show.